So this is a tip about using your ViewCube to find elements. Sometimes you can select something in a particular view, but then you're not sure where it is. It's being obscured in some way. You can go to your 3D view, right click, use select previous, and now you'll notice that you've got that object selected. Once it's selected, you can hit on your ViewCube and it will zoom in on that object. So that's a nice way to find that object quickly and understand where it is in context. Now sometimes the only way you've got to select this could be from a warning or something like that, or from another data file where you only have the element ID. So you could go IDs of selection, click OK. Now you've got it selected. I can rotate around with my ViewCube and go to exactly where that is in my model. This works quite well, particularly if you've got objects that are obscured in views, you're having difficulty finding them.